Over the years, AI didn't become powerful overnight. It progressed gradually. In this session, we'll walk through the key moments where data availability, computing power, and new model designs made a noticeable difference in AI capabilities. Early computers were excellent at processing calculations quickly, but they depended entirely on instructions written by humans. They performed tasks accurately, but they could not analyze meaning, context, or patterns in information. The next major idea was machine learning. Instead of relying only on manual rules, systems were trained using large collections of examples. This allowed them to identify patterns in data and improve performance based on experience. However, early progress was limited. AI required three things that were not widely available: large amounts of data, powerful computing hardware, and more efficient model architectures. Without these, development moved slowly. Once internet-scale data became available, GPUs made high-speed parallel computing possible, and the transformer model was introduced. AI systems were able to process language patterns more effectively. This led to the creation of large language models. Modern AI systems work by predicting sequences of words based on patterns learned from large datasets. Because these patterns include context and structure, the output appears more natural, helpful, and easier to interact with.